Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV, and so guys, today I'm making some turned cornmeal where I season up my cornmeal, the water, I put some water in the pot and I season it up with powder seasoned salt and butter. And over here guys, I'm boiling some curry because I'm gonna make some curry fish. So I season it up with honey and tomato, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper and oil. And so here guys, I put the curry to boil and I'm letting the curry boil before I add the fish guys. So I'm making curry fish. So guys, in this pot is my my spinach, my string bean and CALALOO that I picked from my garden guys. You can check my channel, you will see that video where I pick, to harvest my CALALOO, my spinach and my string bean. And so here guys, I'm steaming all the vegetable that I harvest from my garden this morning, which is the spinach, the CALALOO and the string bean, and I season it up with onion, tomato, scallion and thyme guys, and powder seasoned salt to taste guys. So watch the process guys. I couldn't go in detail from scratch with everything, so I'm just showing you guys what I'm making for dinner tonight. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put the fish. So this is codfish fillet guys. Just laying them in the pot. This is codfish fillet. Okay guys, so in this pot guys, I'm making some mackerel. I'm gonna cook up some mackerel in this guys, salt mackerel. Okay guys, so this is all the season that I'm using in my dinner. Onion powder, Larry season, Jamaican mix season, I'm not sure what is in it. In this bottle I made my own homemade green seasoning guys. Okay guys, let's check on the spinach and CALALOO with string bean. So guys, I did not put any, I just used powder seasoning. I didn't use any other fresh seasoning. It's just the powder seasoning alone I use in this guys. Don't really need it because all the other stuff have fresh seasoning, but this one is just the CALALOO, the spinach and the string bean and powder seasoning for taste. That's it. With butter and that's it. Okay guys, so now the fresh seasoning is sauteed. So now I'm gonna add my mackerel, salt mackerel. This is already seasoned up guys with my powder seasoning. All the seasoning that I just showed you in the video, the same seasoning I put in here. See my mackerel head. Here you go, my salt mackerel is ready to go guys. Okay guys, here goes the spinach, CALALOO and string bean, all done cooking. And here guys, I'm cooking the curry. I would say saltfish, but it's not the saltfish. This one doesn't have salt, so this is curry fish. Right here guys, my cornmeal is done cook. So guys, just season up the water with your powder season, your scallion, your thyme, whatever season, fresh season you want to use, scallion, onion, thyme, and powder seasoning with little salt if you want salt. There is no salt in here, just the powder season. And you just season it and you put some coconut powder or some coconut milk in it. Let it cook for a while, and after that guys, you add the cornmeal, and when it boil after a while, cover it, stir it in a little bit, cover it and let it cook for a bit. Then You pour a little boiling water on this, cover it up and let it cook a little more. You could take out some of the water out of the one that you boiled before and put it down, and when this stir in and make sure there is no lump or raw cornmeal in it, you stir it again until it completely become this way. Then you pour the leftover liquid and the cornmeal, cover it and let it cook down, guys. Let it stay there cook for about 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes, and there you got your turned cornmeal, guys. And right here, guys, I have my salt mackerel cook up in tomato, onion, garlic, thyme, sweet pepper and tomato, guys, with the same powder seasoning that is in this video, guys.